Vroom, vroom. Hey bro, check out my Lamborghini.
My name is Blue Hair Dave, and here's the deal. I may not flex a Lambo.
Bro, check out my car.
What?
What are you doing by my car?
Is this your car?
Dude.
Sorry.
Come on, man.
I might not flash cash in my videos.
Honey, yeah.
But I do know internet marketing and running a successful business from my home. I've been doing it at a top level for over 13 years. Awards and badges? I got plenty of those. I would love for you to join me on my adventures. So subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be a part of it and learn some things along the way. Tutorials, tips, breakdowns, and even full course access. Get the answers you seek, all for free. So click and subscribe now. Go ahead and hit the button so you don't miss anything.
Do it, bro. Subscribe.
And pound that like button, sister. Side effects may include racing heart, pockets full, paid bills, numerous lovers, irresistible body pheromones, thousands of adoring fans, sweaty elbows, and extreme balling.